Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. It's Lindsay here with another unboxing tonight. I do have a Thredup fun box that I'm going to be sharing. I decided to take a little bit of a break from jewelry for tonight's video and also Monday, but I will have more jewelry for you next week with a sterling sale and likely a mixed 15-piece box on Thursday. Phoenix is taking a nap right now, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to get a couple videos filmed. Also tonight, there's a Louis Vuitton collab unboxing that's happening. I did not pick up one of these boxes on this go around, but I can't wait to see what all of the ladies get. I did share the lineup on my community page the other day, so make sure you check that out and join us in the live chat. I'll be hopping over as soon as my video is over. If you're new to my channel, I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark, The RealReal, and also here on YouTube. I post videos Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern, along with bonus videos. So if you're not subscribed yet, I would love to have you, and make sure you hit your bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. So like I said, I do have a fun box, and this one arrived pretty recently from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. I did order another one of these this week, and I also have another one that's a couple weeks old that's still on the way. And I did notice on the Rescue Box page this week, there's a new shoe box that's available, and it's all name brand shoes. And I believe you get 5 pairs for $50. So I did pick that up, and I will be unboxing that as soon as it arrives. So this fun box I ordered on July 8th, and you get 10 to 12 items usually, and they are $34 plus tax and $9.99 shipping. I will be offering items for sale during the video. If you see anything you would like to purchase, just please send me an email. I will need your mailing address if you're a new customer, and I'll get you out a PayPal invoice. So here is a first look, and it looks like we might have a theme here. Lots of pink, like hot pink, and something from Mean Girls. So I can't wait to see what they sent us. All right, and of course we have a hair accessory, so we'll start with that one. Ooh, and this is a Lele Sadoughi, and I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but her headbands are absolutely fantastic, and they do retail for quite a bit and resell really quickly as well. This is a really soft velvet, and I believe it's black with pearls, and it does have the top knot design. And she is signed there on the inside, and it looks like it's in great condition. So I will be putting a price on the screen for that one. That's amazing. So very happy with that piece. And this is our Mean Girls piece. Looks like a sunglass case. It says Mean Girls Dime. And they are a pair of dime sunglasses. I'm not familiar with that brand. And they do have a really cute little chain detail on the side. They're a black plastic frame, and that's silver. It says Mean Girls, Janice on follower, might be the style, and the other info there. So I'll definitely have to look those up. They're a smaller frame. Really cute. There's no prescription or anything in them. They fit really nicely on the face. And it looks like they're in very good condition. They need a cleaning, but I don't see any scratching really on the lenses. So they're probably relatively new. So that's a great item. Very excited to look that one up. And it comes with a super cute case. So I think those will sell well. Mean Girls has a great following. So that's a really good item. And next up we have this bag. I don't know if it's a clutch or a small laptop case. The zipper might be marked. Let me take a look. Ooh, so it's got some other pouches inside. And I'm not sure what that says. And I don't think it belongs with this, but it's just like a canvas cosmetic case. So that is interesting. And then there's another case in here, And this is Catherine Malandrino. So this is a good brand. I think she sold at Saks or Neiman Marcus. And it is like a kind of mesh. You could use this for toiletries, or it would be a great bag to put a wet swimsuit in or something. And it's got a gorgeous print with some tropical birds and flowers. That is really pretty. And it looks like it's just a little bit indented on that side. It just needs to be popped back out, which I should be able to do. So I don't want to really mess with it too much and end up ripping it, but it's not really a big deal. So that's a nice item. You can always use an extra pouch like that. And this is damaged, so you can see some of the, it kind of is like a wicker material, but it's all coming up on that corner, and there is some color loss throughout. It does say it's exclusively for Valerie and made in the Philippines. So I'm just going to donate that. If anybody would like it, it could be a free gift with purchase if you're interested, but it's definitely seen way better days. So pretty disappointing that was included, but at least, you know, it came with the other 2 pouches in there. So hopefully we have some better items for the remainder. Next up, I have this. I'm not sure exactly what it is. It is a flip belt, and it just says 92% polyester, 8% lycra, and it's a medium. And it says flip belt, and it does have a zipper pocket there. So I assume that's some kind of workout belt. I will look up some information on that and put some info on the screen, but it looks like it's in very good condition. And we do have some jewelry in here, which is been coming in the boxes quite a bit. This is by the brand ISC, and it's actually an infinity scarf, so that's really interesting. And it's kind of like a mesh material, knitted, and then there are some plastic little rhinestones in it. We'll just do $3 on that one if anybody's interested. It does give some sparkle to it, so it's pretty and brand new. And our next piece are Gumball Poodle, made in the USA, and it says Hot Mom. And again, with a pink theme. And I never heard of that brand either. They are cotton, nylon, and spandex, and they are unisex. One size fits most, and they are a gym sock with a supportive fit. So socks are always a nice item to get, and they're brand new. And next we have some more hair accessories. And it looks like these have a little tag on them that says handmade. So there's 2 little hot pink bows, 2 black fabric bows, and those ones don't have any information on them. And then there are 2 red bows. So looks like they're all in very good condition. So we'll do $5 on the lot of 6 bows. So those, I'm sure somebody might want those, and at least there's a larger set that you can lot together. And next up we have some earrings, and these are adorable. And how cute are these? They are like an acrylic cherry dangle. And they do have like a wax cord that's holding them up. These are so cute. They do have a little weight to them, so they feel like they're well made. I'll see if I can find out anything on those and put some info on the screen. But those are really cute. They definitely look like they could be branded. They're not like real cheap feeling. So those are nice. And our next piece is another accessory, and it might be a belt. Oh, and this is J. Crew, and this is new with the tag. So it's J. Crew. It's an extra small. It was originally $58, and it was discounted down to $34.99. And it is like a elastic stretch with the chain metal detail. It is like a gunmetal color. And then it does have a snap closure. So there's 2 adjustments on it. So that's awesome. Really good to get something brand new. We'll do $10 on the J. Crew belt. And last up, we have this. And this is by the brand Club EXX. And it's a medium. So it is like a skirt, I guess. So it does have a zip back. And it does look pretty tiny. So it is like a plastic skirt. That might be something that would be, you know, exciting for Halloween. And there are some marks and a little bit of scratching throughout, but it seems to be in okay condition. And then it does have this clamper belt on it. So I will look up some information on that one. Very interesting piece. And that was my last item. So let's go ahead and count up what we got. We have the Club EXX skirt. We have the cherry earrings, which are adorable. We have the set of bows, hair accessories. We have the infinity scarf that was brand new. We have the J. Crew belt. We have the gumball poodle socks. We have the awesome headband, Lele Sadoughi. So that one should sell very well. That was definitely the best piece in the box, I think. We had the Mean Girls and Dime sunglasses. We had the flip belt. We had this really beat up pouch. We had this canvas cosmetics pouch, and then the Catherine Maldarino mesh bag. So not the best box in the world, but I still think it was pretty good, especially with that headband. And hopefully I can find out something good on the sunglasses. So overall, I think it was still all right. And I love that it was themed. And I look forward to sharing another one of these with you guys soon. So I'm going to keep this short so we can move back on over and join the Louis Vuitton collab. And I'll see you back on Monday with a brand new video. I hope you have a great weekend.